Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Let's play now a beginning sound game. Choose the correct picture. Letter A. A is for anchor. Letter B. B is for bat. Letter C. K, k is for cake. Letter D. D, D is for drums. Letter E. E is for elephant. Letter F. F, F is for frog. Letter G. G, G is for grapes. Letter H. H, H is for hat. Letter I. I is for igloo. Letter J. J, J is for jam. Letter K. K, K is for kite. Letter L. L is for lion. Letter M. M is for monkey. Letter N. N is for nose. Letter O. O is for octopus. Letter P. P, P is for popcorn. Letter Q. Q, Q is for queen. Letter R. R is for rabbit. Letter S. S is for socks. Letter T. T, T is for turtle. Letter U. Is for umbrella. Letter V. V, V is for volcano. Letter W is for watermelon. Letter X. X is for X-ray. Letter Y. E is for yellow. Letter Z. Z, zebra. Great work, everybody! Bye-bye and see you next time. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.